Hi everyone, welcome to our amazing automotive products channel. Today video is about
automotive replacement engine heaters.
Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to get latest videos from our amazing channel.
My name is Eric. I'm an engineer here at Phillips & Temro. I'm going to talk to you about silicone pad heaters. Silicone pad heaters are an efficient way to keep your vehicle fuel, fluids, and battery running at peak performance. They're an efficient heat source because the silicone pad is mounted onto the surface, allowing direct heat transfer. There are 3 different applications for silicone pad heaters: fuel or fluid reservoirs, diesel fuel filters, and battery heaters. Each type of silicone pad comes in various configurations of size, shape, voltage, plug type, thermostats, and CSA CE certifications to fit a wide variety of installation applications. Plug types come in different options: 120 volt 2-prong, 120 volt 3-prong, 240 volt 3-prong, CE7 for European applications, and blunt wire ends. Then wipe the area completely dry, being careful not to touch the adhesive. Apply power to the heater for 3 to 5 seconds to activate the adhesive on the silicone pad, warming between the metal and the heater. Slowly start to adhere the silicone pad to the installation site. Apply pressure to the pad using the scraper provided to flatten and remove air pockets. Apply power to the pad for 5 to 10 seconds to warm the adhesive. Apply a small bead of the silicone adhesive around the outside edge of the heater. This silicone bead will seal the edges to help retain the adhesion between the metal pan and heater. Thank you for joining us today. Please watch for additional installation videos on how to keep your vehicle up and running during the cold weather season. And don't forget to visit our website at phillipsandtemro.com.
Hello everyone, in this video we will go through everything about this Titan P1 engine preheater so that you can know better about this product before you buy it. Let's take a look at the package first. As we can see, the main color is white, and here is the red logo. On the side we can see some company information, such as the contact number, and here are the QR codes of social media. You can scan it. And on the bottom, you can see the certificate it has. Anyway, the package looks pretty neat to me. Okay, so now the engine. Let's see what information is printed. Okay, so on the top, we can see the company's logo, VVKB. Here's a warning sign. On the bottom, there's some information, such as the model number and the IP class, rated power and the rated voltage. We can also see the TUV and ROS marks, also the company's website. So one more thing we should pay attention to is that there are actually 2 connecting options for this type of heater. One is with the cable, and the other is with the DEFA connections. Let me show you how to connect them. So first you want to put this black end to the heater, like this. So connect the other end with the red one. Just like this. It's very easy.